VOD people, welcome to the stream. Today is today. It's more AI photo AI cloning. Okay. We're just gonna call it replicate. That's all I want to do today. All right. I set my sights low. Okay, we're setting our sights low today. All right. It's not gonna be. We're not gonna clone the whole thing today. Maybe a little styling. You know, I don't want to be out here to back-end dev design this. Ugh. Yes, back-end designers. The best thing you could do if you're a back-end person, Verlinger, what's up? What's up? The best thing you could do if you're a back-end person and you want to do design is to just grab a template. Okay? Grab some pre-built components, okay? What's funny though is like I feel like Shad CN is really used a lot. But oh, yeah, I'm doing good. Rolindra, I'm doing good. But I don't know. I mean, it's like do I want colors? Do I need colors? It feels like a lot. You know, Shad CN it feels like a lot. So just use felt? Is it? Rexace, what's up? Bootstrap apologist. Dude, Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the way. Okay? Bootstrap. Oh, are they still going? They still going? Hola, what's up? What's up? Look at me back with the absolute statements. Well, that is true. There's only one right way. In Merlinger's world, there's only one way. It's not, and there's all wrong ways, right? Is that so? Is it go and spelt now, or is it? Okay, hold on. Okay, all right. Is this Hitmel? Hitmel. Okay. Yeah. Is it? Is it go and spelt, or is it rust and spelt, or is it gleam, or is it zig? Look, I don't know. Okay. TypeScript. Yeah, that's fine too. You know, it's all good. It's all good. Let me see. What? So it's still version 5. How long has it been version 5 for? Oh, they've changed the docs. Interesting. Oh, there's a new okay. Oh yeah, look at that. They actually support dark mode. Good night. Dude, freaking Bootstrap. Oh my gosh. The thing about Bootstrap, it seems like it's what you want, right? Crash in the standard library. I love Go, but no more, please. Wait, what happened? I'm literally trying to Gleam right now, trying to run an official Gleam example. Crash in a standard lib. Oh. Yeah. Gleam, if Gleam had macros, instead of the use statement, I would be on board Gleam, honestly. It brings me back. The Bulma. Oh my gosh. What's funny though is whole SaaS businesses, the modern CSS framework. Dude, it's modern. Verlinger, it's modern. You try to submit an R, but it's it's Erlang. Wait, I thought the runtime is Erlang, but Gleam, the language, is written in Rust, right? Like I think the parser is Rust, but the runtime is Erlang. Jeez, Bulma. Whole businesses have been started, and like billions have been made from Bootstrap and Bulma. Man, I mean, we make fun of them, but honestly, yeah, it's something. It seems like this is what you want though. Like before Tailwind, this is perfect. You're like, okay, I want a title, I want this thing, and all it takes is this. This is exactly what I want. And then you go, wait, how do I change this so it's slightly different, right? Yeah. Oh, modifiers is primary. Yeah, this is where you get into This is where you get into, so it's like, they think this is easy. Well, this is where you get into trouble. You're like, what if I don't want this loaded? What if I want a different? And then you're like, oh no. Oh no, I've got to do all this stuff, sass and all this. Ugh, ugh. All right. Oh, memory lane. BEM. What is RCS? What is that? Is that a real thing? Smacks? I think Smacks is real. I haven't heard of the R thing, but never heard of Balma. Rex says you got to be. Balma's classic. It's probably a good solution, but Vercel shills will tell you it's the devil. Vercel shills only use shadcn. Okay, Vercel. If you make something for Vercel, it's shad. This is the stack, right? It's T3. You're subscribed to theo.dg. You use shadcn and TypeScript. That's it. You want TypeScript in the kernel. You want everything. Okay, everything to be TypeScript. And you also love trash dev as well. Like you really are into trash dev. Soy overdose. RSCSS. I gotta look this up. We're about to learn something today. All of these are real. Oh shoot! All right, let me see. RSCS. I thought that was a joke. I like the word smacks though. RSCSS, styling without losing your sanity. But like I could barely see this. I can barely see. Like this isn't a good intro. Like I can't see this. Greater than 1,000 lines. Any CSS greater will you eventually run it. What does this class mean? Blah blah blah. Is an attempt. Okay, so let's see. Let's get started. Okay. Let's do it. Think in components. Okay, we're on to something here. We're on to something. A like button, a search form, article card, Rico custom header. I don't know what that means. Okay, so now we're going to learn about elements. Okay, so field and action. You know what? This actually makes sense. Prefer to use child selector whenever possible. Search form field action. This prevents bleeding through nested components and performs in descendant selectors. Okay. On multiple words. First name, last name. Yeah, this actually isn't bad. Search form prefixed compact. Interesting. A dash is preferred prefix. Okay. Article link, vote box to nest components. What? Also very unknown. 2015 energy is supposed to look like Unix. I mean, you know what? It's honestly not bad. Like it's almost like it's like we're getting to atomic CSS, but we're not quite there yet. And you're sort of doing components in CSS, which is like weird. It still suffers from the duplicate definition problem. But yeah, recipe list. It's something. Yeah, it's something. But yeah, nowadays though, it looks like this. Oh. How do we see what's underneath? What's under the covers here? How do we see what's in the component? How do we? Oh, we can't actually see the Tailwind styles in each of the shadcn. You just have to import things for React. Interesting. Man, React is it's annoying. Cargo install F. Accordion, give me details. Yeah, that's true. All in set. Yeah, pretty sure I worked at a company that had pages that looked like that default component from our CSS or from shadcn. This, yeah, this accordion is overkill, right? I mean, it's nice because it's got a little animation, built in, but it just feels like a lot. This feels like a lot of code. And what's underneath here? That feels like a lot. And you have to sort of all this tooling you have to buy into RCSS. The drawer from the drawer. Let's see the drawer. Let's see it. Open drawer. Whoa! Whoa! That is crazy. Oh man, you could drag it around. Wow! Look at this. The screen fades and moves backward. It translates away from you, and there's a gap here. There's a gap. This is insane. It feels, yeah, it does feel native for sure. Wow. You know what? I'm impressed. I'm honestly impressed with the Shad Flutter web devs shaking RN. I'm actually really impressed by this. This is really good. Wow, no wonder the Vercel people use the use Shad CN. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever even attempted to make something like this. Wow. Hover on the toasts that pop up. Where are the toasts? In the drawer? Hover on the toast? What? Do I go to toast? On Sonner? An opinionated toast component? Why is it called Sonner? Sonner? Show toast. I'm hovering. What's happening? Open multiple? Oh, shoot. That's pretty cool. It stacks like iOS. That's pretty sweet. And pop-up ads with the Shad CN drawer. It's not animated. I'm in Chrome. I'm not doing anything wrong, okay? Oh, it's super smooth? Yeah, I'm in Chrome. I don't know what else I can do. Like, oh, is it a very nice, what browser are you using? Refresh? Oh, okay, yeah. Let's try to refresh. Okay. So let's see. Let's add a bunch here. No, yeah, definitely. Style New York, maybe? Let's try that. No. Yeah, it just yeah, I have some problems here. You know, we've got some issues. It doesn't animate. Uh prefers reduced motion? Oh, that's a good question. I don't know, do I? How do I test that? I don't even know how to test that. Maybe. What if I minimize? I mean, I've definitely got some minimize animation. Yeah, maybe that's what it is. Just ignore. Ignore all defaults, okay? All right, so let's get it. Let's you know what? Am I gonna use Shad CN right now? I mean, I feel like Shad CN is like light years ahead of whatever the Tailwind people are doing. Like if I go to components here, I mean, it's nice that it's colorful, I guess. But yeah. Is there another one that's less opinionated than Shad? Like, do I really have to use React to do this? Can I just copy and paste like this? Tailwind UI is not the same. Headless UI. But I don't want to use React though. See, there's only React and Vue. Headless UI is a library. Okay. All right. I mean, this does look really nice. Like, it's definitely better than anything I could do. React, go to version 2.0. Oh. Okay. Why does it look like Shad all of a sudden? Okay, so this is cool, but like, I mean, maybe I could just convert it to HTML instead. But I guess what you're saying is some of this stuff is it needs React, right? Which is crazy because there's a built-in popover now and a built-in modal too for HTML. Vue got abandoned. It did. So no two, but that's true. Vue, I mean, Vue is. I never liked Vue. I don't know. I never liked Vue. I was never like a huge Vue person. Like look at how jank this is already. Create app, setup, there's like a nested function, like in a JavaScript object mount, like, and you got to do that. I don't know. They're too. It's too separate still. I think. It looks like Svelte now. You could do very simple. Um, okay, hold on. I gotta open up Twitch here. Okay, photoai is weird. It be sentient. Oh, it's definitely sentient. It's 100% sentient. How do I get my thing going on here? We've got the sentience, okay? Stream manager. Okay. Views reactivity model. Script setup is a compile time syntactic sugar for. Whoa, that's something. Oh, SFC, single file components. Okay, so script setup, top level bindings are exposed. Oh, I see what you're saying. Click log and then you call log. This feels more like Alpine or something, right? Doesn't this feel more like Alpine CSP build, right? Which is, maybe I should just do it. Maybe I should just like use Alpine, but use the CSP. I come down here to CSP. So here you'll see. Oh, here we go. So X data like initializes a component, and then you sort of do @click, and you call foo.increment, and so foo is here, right? Or an easier example is counter. You click increment, right? And then can I zoom in on this? How do I zoom in on this? There we go. So you do this, and then just sort of calling this thing, but these are very separate things because this is coming from the server, right? And this is coming on the client. Rex Ace. I also look. It's not good. I'm not gonna say that. Oh, it's great. It's definitely hard. But I think I might just do this. I've been avoiding this, and honestly, I think this will solve my problems. At least we're cross-platform. Desktop boys don't even have that going for them. There is no native UI on Windows or Linux. Yeah, that's true. I think I hate development in general. Also true. Oh, we got stuff custom Kinter. What? Ow! I don't know what all that means, but yes. Oh, a custom TK inter. Is that what that is? I be hacking GUIs like an MFer. Okay. Flutter could be the one, but no, Google had to be the one to make it. We have Dioxys, Merlindrew. Why are you we don't say the F word in here. Okay, we don't say Flutter. All right? That's a bad word. Dioxys. Okay. No F words. Dioxys Mobile? Yeah. Dioxys Mobile. How do you do it? Where's the thing? Mobile? Mobile is currently the least supported. Oh no. But yeah, it seems like you can do Android stuff at least, right? And then here's iOS, right? Doxys mobile test lib, cargo mobile init. Okay. And we've got some other things, which is more like web stuff, I think. Not native UI. Yeah, it seems like Tau and Rai are right. Are those? It's its own render, I think. I don't know if it is web actually. I don't think Dioxys is web, right? Tau Android binding. I think this is actually. I can't tell if it's web or not. I don't think it is. They wrote their own browser. Yeah. Yeah. They had to make that proprietary. It's true. It is web 100%. Oh, okay. All right. Well, what is Kiwi MD? We have to look this up. What is this? Kiwi MD? Material design? Is that what you're talking about? A framework for cross-platform touch-enabled graphical app. Okay. So I guess Kiwi is something. Open source Python app development framework. Oh, I gotta close that right away. Oh man, Python. Will allow to render with the platform's web view experimentally through WGPU. Yeah, WGPU. That's what I was saying, right? Experimentally. Well, I think that's the goal though. Python. Python is the most popular programming language, right? I heard Python and it started lagging. Coincidence. Yeah, GPUI. There's something. Dang, freedom down here. Just dropping bombs, okay? Like what is even happening? Aggressive behavior. All right, let me enjoy your C front end. That is true. No, that is true. Python is, but Python recently they got rid of the GIL, right? Look, I hate Python as much as the next person, right? But they recently got rid of it. Was it on? I think it was on Hacker News. Daisy UI. I'm not a fan of Daisy, honestly. I think it was like Python. We'll just look up Python in the last day, right? Last week? I think it was on here. Let's see. Hot and reload for Python, instrumenting, Python GIL. Oh my gosh. There's so much Python stuff in a week. Oh my goodness. I should really switch to, but if I was a true content creator, I would just be writing Python all the time. Dude, this is how much Python stuff got submitted in the past week. This is incredible. This is a different level from any language that I've seen. I haven't actually typed Python into Hacker News. There's 3 pages. Let's do this. Rust, right? Oh, there's 4 pages. Okay, all right. Well, never mind that. Okay, all right. But anyway, yeah. Recently, there was a GIL free Python. Now it just feels weird. Python is weird, right? We still have GIL. You was lied to. Oh, was I? No, it's true. It's true. There's a build of Python without the GIL. Bolivian. Our graphics lib's kind of weird, but that's annoying. Python in general is kind of weird, right? And I hate that it's the most popular programming language. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this because I gotta get going here. It's been 20 minutes. I gotta start. Okay, so today the goal is this. All right, I have one singular goal. Okay, I have one singular goal to call this API, right? To call this API, and I know there's a crate, but I don't want to use it. Okay, I don't want to use this crate. Python solved. It's my opinion, therefore correct. What is going on? I don't even know what's happening here. I mean, Python is mostly used for not cross-platform UI. It's mostly used for machine learning, right? Astral is this what I'm looking at? What am I looking at? What's the Astral thing? Oh, next gen Python tooling. I see. If this is written in Rust, I'm gonna laugh so hard. It is written in Rust. Come on. Yeah, come on now. We can't. That's all Rust is good for. Oh, wait. Rough? Why did this link to Rough? Did they rename Rough to Astral? Oh, Astral is the company, and Rough is the linter. Oh, I see. And UV is their thing. Okay. I didn't realize that Astral was a organization over Rough and UV. Yeah, package manager. Rye dependency toolchain. Yeah, I've heard of Rye too. Yeah. Well, maybe I should. Maybe next time I have to use Python, I'll probably use this. This does look pretty cool. I just hate every tutorial you could run it. Always do pip install. It's like, oh, pip is great. Or use what's the other one? What's the other stupid one? Not pip. What's the other dumb one that I can't remember now? But not poetry. I can't remember. There's so many. Conda. Yeah, Conda. Yeah, dumpster fire. Yeah, conda. Oh man, that is the worst part of Python is the tooling. It is horrible. All right, but this is the goal today. All right, pibem pym. Yeah, feels a little like Mojo. Yeah, their branding is clean. TypeScript is the best language. Interest in here. We're just duking hits out real quick. Yeah, I mean, I think for web, honestly, like I think TypeScript won for a reason because they easy compile the JavaScript, and I think for ML Python won because of pandas or NumPy or the combination of the two. So yeah, what can you do, right? Freedom DAO. Your Python code stack is so elite. Uh huh. Uh, you work like a superhuman. That's cool, man. That's cool. Oh, are you talking about? Are you talking about the Facebook thing? What's that TypeScript? What's that JavaScript runtime? What's it called? Hermestatic Hermes. Yeah, that's what it is. So Terry, man, what's up? What's going on? All right, but I gotta get going. Okay, I want to get going on this. Stop distracting me with all this Python nonsense. Elite mode. It's elite mode. You promise? No, I don't know anything about the Python ecosystem. I would be lost forever. Like I could never get anything done because I'd be so lost. All right, reading documentation, a man after my own heart. just the examples, okay? So anyway, I gotta make this. Let's get the replicate API token in here. All right, let's do that. Let's do something really simple. Okay, we'll just do something really simple. We'll go to the .env replicate token. Right. Good. If I could get this keyboard to work, there we go. Oh my goodness, we could do it. All right. Let's assume that's there. All right, and I'll do that off. I'll do that when I turn the monitor off for a second. Maybe I will turn the monitor off actually. Here, I'm gonna turn it off. I wonder if it's gonna show it. Right here. Let me just turn this off real quick. Where's my display? Where is it? This? All right. Okay, we'll sign in real quick. Does it show the thing? Oh, it actually doesn't show it. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, I'll run back. I'll come back in here. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't actually show. It's pretty nice. All right, so we'll go to the playground. HTTP copy. Okay. We'll just paste this bad boy. Oh no. Dang it. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Every time. All right, we'll just do that. Forgot it was gonna be pasted. Unbelievable. Now I gotta rotate it. Hold on. We gotta quick. Yeah, don't look. Yeah, we gotta rotate it. Hold on. Look at the dashboard. Oh, jeez. Every time. Let's see. How do I? Stupid thing. Set up billing predictions. Oh, I don't even know how to rotate the. Oh, API tokens. There we go. Okay, we'll delete that token. Yep. And then we'll create a new one, right? Default. Forget Python. I mean, yeah, if it gives you some advantage, don't give that away. If it makes you super elite, don't don't throw that away. All right, Freedom DAO, don't do that. We'll just do default 1, right? There we go. All right, so we'll copy that, paste it in here, and then I will close this file. Okay, I will close this file and never open it again. There we go. All right, well, we can turn this back on, I think. Okay, go back. Okay. All right. We're back. Okay, so I need to make this request here. How can people use language without enums? Python 3 is okay, right? Because it has some kind of typing. But honestly, like as a Ruby person, static typing is, it was out of favor for a while, but now it's back in. But I think it's only just because the tools got so much better, you know? Is that me? Yeah, that's me. I don't know what that means. Okay. So this function, I'm trying to do like a more pure function thing, but honestly, I don't care. Now that I'm thinking about it, I really don't care. I need a function that basically makes this request, right? So we're just gonna copy this. We're just gonna copy this here, and then we'll just put this here, right? So then I can look at it. I'm having a panic attack now. You leaked your keys. I know. Zig. That's the whole message. That's the whole Kaviti. That's the whole thing. Just Zig. That's it. That's all you're gonna say. You're not gonna say Zig's the greatest. Zig's the worst. I love Zig. That's not bad. I've leaked keys in the past. It's trauma. Yeah, I know. Seriously. All right. So we'll just literally copy this, right? We're gonna copy this. All right. So we've got a. We'll just say this is a replicate request, right? We'll just put struct request. And then I wasn't sure if anyone actually wanted to watch this, but I didn't get this done before the stream, so we're gonna do it right now today. Let's see. We've got an input that is a prompt. Actually, we'll just call it input, right? There we go. We don't care if it's a request. Prompt, which is a string. Actually, you know what? We can do this, I think, right? We could just do something like that. Wasn't someone showed me something where you could turn this into like a surdy thing? Surdy Rust struct from JSON. There was something, I thought, right? JSON to Rust surdy. Oh, here we go. Looks like something, right? There we go. Okay. Good. Oh, perfect. Okay, wow, this is a lot. I don't know why it's renaming things when they're the same, but that's fine. Can I adjust the settings somehow? Camel case, snake case, confirm. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, it's called root, but we'll just change that. It's fine. Okay, cool. So then we'll just copy that. Good. They don't have to type that out. Thank goodness. Although I should get some typing practice in because, yeah. We'll just call it input. Cool. And then we will bring in cargo add request. I feel like I'm going to need some feature flags or something. I feel like that's a thing, right? I really use image generation system a few times. It's cool to make entire movies with it. They are a rabbit hole. The image generators even write stories like books. Okay. I just love my enums. Rex says I also love enums. It's my favorite part. That's my favorite part of Rust. It's honestly Rust's best feature, or one of the best. Request crate, feature flags. No, I think I'm good, right? I think I have it. I think I'm good. I think I have everything I need. All right. So then we will do we got to look up the docs. There we go. We got to look at the docs here. We got to say request version, features JSON. Oh, I do need features JSON. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Version, features. Oh my gosh. If I could just keep that down. There we go. All right, so cool. And then that's good. Now we have features JSON, which I'm honestly, so then we'll just copy this real quick and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, totally. Look, AI is taking over the world. It's great, I guess. All right. I think I might be dreaming, but wasn't Rust Analyzer capable of turning JSON into a struct? Rexace, was it really? Was it really?
Oh my God! Okay,
yeah.
It's happening.
Okie Labs.
What's the procedure, everyone?
Thanks for the raid. I appreciate it. It'll draw your face after so many tries. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should do that. Brain bots? I don't know what that means. Look, Freedom Dot, you're so far ahead. Okay, of everyone. I don't know what's happening. All right, I honestly don't know how to communicate with you. Let's see. So we'll just do this thing up here on line 16, and then we'll come down here. There we go. Oh no. Whoops. There we go. Then it'll format the thing. Is it? Oh wow! It actually, Rust. It doesn't. It doesn't like that. I thought for sure it would get that. There we go. All right. So we'll do this, and then this is an async function now. No way. No way. Anytime, sir. The AI will teach. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I would just run a few. Next thing you know, you're in the Jetsons. Rust analyzers suggest to convert JSON block to Rust struct. No way. No way. There's no way. There's no way. We'll do MI inside. Well, actually, we'll do this. What do I do? Just action? Oh, I see. It can't be a comment. It has to be real, right? It can't be inside a comment. It says right here. Convert JSON to struct. Dude. Are you serious? Dude. Oh my goodness. Rexace, you just blew my mind right now. Dude. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's it. Rust is the best. Okay, Rust is the Rust analyzer. Cannot be beat. Okay, it cannot be beat. Oh my goodness. That is insane.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
We're gonna use this. We're gonna use this. So this is what do they call this? Input. What do they call this? Input, right? Yeah. We could just rename this. Actually, we'll rename it to input. Dude, this is incredible. This is incredible. Here, we'll call that request. All right, cool. This is looking good now. I mean, we're really looking good now. All right. Let's see. Okay, cool. So this needs to be a result, I guess. All right, sweet. And this actually needs to be... I need to extend my result thing. This is annoying. Maybe I'll just unwrap everything, to tell you the truth. We'll just unwrap. We'll just have the thing crash. I don't even care. But I don't want to deal with that right now. Okay. Dagger? Welcome to the stream. This is, man, it's incredible. We're learning so much at a rapid pace. Rexace for president? Rexace has my vote. Rexace has my vote, all right? All right, so then we're going to do, this is a hash map, but we're going to do JSON to response, right? And the response is this bit of JSON. Hello. Dagger or Dagger, personally. I don't know what it means. I don't know what my name means either. It's okay. We'll just paste this, and then we'll just do convert JSON to struct. Dude, this is... I'll never get tired of that. I'm just gonna start pasting JSON into my into my Helix, just to, I think I guess my vote too. Can you vote for yourself? Is that a thing? You do that? All right, so this is good. I called it prediction, but we'll convert it to what I want to be a prediction, right? Oh, it doesn't like that error, though. It doesn't know what it is. Or was it? I got two different browsers. What? Error null. Oh, I see. It converts null to, we'll just assume it's a string. And I guess we'll do like option string. All right, cool. So now we're close, right? We're close. We're gonna do this stuff. We need to add some headers here. I need to move this down a little bit. All right. We're going. We're getting there. What is struct for? Oh, URLs. Okay. Let's add headers. How do I add headers to request? Docs, we need you. Actually, maybe I could just, maybe it has some examples. No, it does not. Where was I with docs? Okay. Where's the rest of the docs? Documentation? Oh, here we go. Wait, post request. It is a post request, actually. Is it body here? Oh. Oh, you had to have the client. That's how you get hacked, JSON struct. Is that true? Am I about to get hacked right now? Let me just change this to client.post. And that probably solves my other problem. Body is whatever this is, input, right? Request, and then header, it's key and a value. And we have to add two headers, right? Man, if only there was a Rust analyzer to convert a curl to request chain here. Okay. Oops. Keyboard. Oh my gosh. Dude. I should have just stuck with my original keyboard. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Redacted. Welcome. This also, you know what? I'm gonna, because the request is a perfect input inversion. Yeah, so maybe I'll just say like API token, right? String. Owned string. API token. All right. What did I do here? Oh. Okay. Header, and then we could do this. What's the other one? Content type? Man, I should have done this before the stream. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. What? Oh, no, there's a first time chatter after the follow. Oh, no, what is this? You like Rust, don't you? I made my first blog post about some Rust malware, and I was wondering if you'd want to read it. Hey, at least you followed before, though, right? I might read this. Maybe. Maybe. Although I do know that Rust is very popular for malware. Send. Oh, look at me, free Robux. Oh, dude, could you imagine? That'd be sweet. Body is an into body. Yeah, how do I... There's probably a way to do this. Let's see. I only follow once you run the script and it has no errors. First try like a boss. Is this a script or is this a Rust file that's going to get compiled? Oh, here's JSON. Oh, it's .json. Okay. I assume it doesn't have to be a hash map though, right? Not just body. It could just be JSON as long as it's serializable. I think it's fine. Yeah, there you go. All right. So it gets a response, prediction. What do I care about here? We'll just return the response. I don't even. It's fine. We don't really care about that. Response. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea if this is gonna run first try though. Look at all these unwraps. Do you see this? This is what's gonna happen. What's really gonna happen is something's gonna fail here, and it's just gonna panic. There's not gonna be a first try on this one. We can just return this, right? You can just return this bad boy. All right. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Is more private than whatever? Is it gonna do pub? Pub crate. Sure, why not? Why not? Pub crate. All right. Prediction is never used. That is correct. Okay, so it takes the API token, makes the request, returns the response, and the response is this. Data removed, input. Oh, it actually returns the input as well. That's interesting. Let's make that. That should be the same, right? And then what was the other thing? Output is an array of strings. URL is also something. What is URLs? We gotta double check this thing. What is struct for? Cancel get. URLs is not an array though. This is a vec, but this is okay. That's fine. I think it's okay. All right, cool. Let's try it. So in our post upload, we're gonna fire off the request in line. Well, it's async, I guess, but still, place your bets. Yeah, in your Jedi-ness. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. So we'll try it. We'll say response, right? Oh, you know what? Let's actually save it to the database. Let's just save it wholesale, JSON to the database. Let's do create responses. Or we'll do, what should I call this? Create predictions. That's what we're going to call it. Create predictions, because that's what they call it, right? Create table, if not exists, predictions, ID integer primary key, because I don't care. Response is text, not null. And that's it. I don't actually need to create it at, I feel like, but it's fine. We'll just do it anyway. Integer, not null, default, Unix epoch, baby. The only way to store timestamps in database, all right? As prediction. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't use prediction as the response there, right? All right, then we'll do, then we want to see it, right? So we'll just do last prediction. Select, not using strict. Dude, we don't need strict, all right? We don't need that. Get that out of here. Predictions from predictions, limit one, as well. We'll order by. Order by created at descending. All right, as prediction. There you go. Good to go. All right, so we'll just say this. Let res equals prediction API token. Should I put that in the context for axum? Or should I just I'll put in the thing. Whatever. Who? All right. Env. We'll say replicate API token. There's only one API token, so I don't know why. I don't know why I'm doing this. All right. Uh-oh. Request parts. No. No. We'll make a wrapper. Struct. What does it need? The type must be used as a type parameter for some local type. Oh, okay. So we'll just make a wrapper type API token string. And then we could say API token here. Clone is not satisfied. Okay. All right. There we go. Good. And then we'll come in here and we need, where was I? Post uploads, right? Is that what I did? Post upload. We need the API token, right? And that's API token. Okay. And then here, API token dot 0 request. We'll make a new request. We'll do replicate request. All right. Private fields. Oh, okay. Pub. Fill struct fields. Good. And then I don't know why it's like failing to format. There we go. Input is this. My Rust is a bit rusty. WD-40. It's so true. Imagine not using oh, you already said it. SQLite truly is the Ruby of databases. Rexace, look, you know how I feel about Ruby, okay? You know, don't say that about my beloved SQLite. 80 megs of text, legendary performance. Yeah, no, SQLite's great. Okay, so we'll just take this exact example and we'll see. Okay, let's say this version, I guess. Right? Is that the version? Time will tell. Okay, let's see. What? Oh, into. Everyone makes fun of Rust. Closes the editor and hides Rails project. Chugging coffee. You can't see the other Mac, okay? But there's Rails on there, all right? Let's see. Input. Also not working good in JS and Pi, so I can't complain. Okay. Let's see. Replicate. Input. Oh, is that not? Oh, it's not public. Pub. All right. I'll parsing this struct. That's fine. Input also needs everything to be public. Pub. Okay. We'll do this. Fill struct fields. Negative prompt. We will fill in. SQLite is fine. I use it for everything. Also me. I use Rust because it's like a great developer like thing. It like really helps me do things in like a good way. And then I use SQLite because I don't care about performance. But yeah, if there was a way to not use Rust, because I don't actually care about performance, right? I kind of just want to start this thing up and move as fast as possible. But if there was a way to have Rails, how do I do this? We'll do this again. We'll we'll just get this colon, right? There we go. And then we'll go here and we'll just do into, right? There we go. And then we'll delete this one because it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, if there was a way to get Python or Ruby to do the thing right the first time, I'd be using it. Okay, so we'll do a close-up headshot of the subject in a gray sweater. Perfect. WebP, sure. Okay, cool. Cool. And then this is cool. So then they had these outputs here, and I think you're actually supposed to go back and download these, which I have to do separately. But yeah. All right, so we do the prediction, await, unwrap, right? Actually, no, this isn't even. We've got unwraps. We've got them everywhere. And then we'll db.insert. Oh, no, I didn't have an insert for the predictions. Unbelievable. Maybe I can just do this. Insert prediction. Predictions. What is it? Response. Values returning as prediction, right? All right, good. Insert prediction. There it is. Response, res, wait, good. Let pred equals. All right. Expected string found response to, how do I do this? Surdy JSON. Oh man. All right, hold on. Because I'm deserializing it. So I'm going to deserialize and I'm going to reserialize into the database. It's fine. We need cargo add surdy JSON. Surdy JSON. Huh? ChatGPT. How is he coding all this? Wait, what? What's happening? How is he coding all this line in one go? His brain IQ is crazy. No, I've just done this a million times. Well, that's the answer, right? Surdy JSON, 2-string, right? ChatGPT. Could you imagine? All right, so this we're borrowing. All right, good, 2-string, and we'll just unwrap again because you know what? We don't want a first try. We don't want that. All right, first try. All right, so there's how many unwraps are we? We got 4 unwraps, right? This is torture. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's not going to go well. I just tell you that right now. If we get this prediction into the database, if it's memory reps, dang. Yeah. Won't compile. Dang it. It's not compiling currently. Replicate. We'll just do std env. I said std again. I said it again. I got to stop saying that. Stud. Get? What is it called? Fetch? Read? Env? Is it just env? No, standard. Oh my gosh. Env. Oh, it's var. It's var. Var. Replicate. API. Oh my gosh. Token. There we go.
Hello, Peter.
All right, so now
What's happening?
we've got something here. Another unwrap. We got it. How many unwraps is that? 5? 5 points of failure? Is that what we're doing? And we got to wrap it. We got to wrap it in API token. All right. Now it's compiling, right? Very good skill. Freedom DAO. You know what? You made my day. You know? You made my day. At least use expect for the envar, I beg you. All right, fine. Fine. Okay? Maybe we'll go back and change them because we're not going to know where this thing failed. Expect replicate API token. Okay, here we go. This is a moment of truth. It's not going to go well. Let's just recap real quick. All right, so we've got the context CX. Okay? We've got the context. We feed it to Axum. In post upload, we go down to post upload, right? We've got Tokyo. We're writing the upload. These 2 lines work. Okay? This one we're unsure. We don't actually know. All right. Well, we got the prediction. The prediction does some fairly simple stuff. It just makes the API request. And then down here, we insert the prediction into the database, which runs this SQL, right? Yes. Okay. I think it'll work. Oh, you know what? We got to show it. We want it because we're going to redirect to the headshot. So we actually want to show not just the little thumbnail, but we actually want to show the prediction, and we'll put it in a pre. We'll put it in a pre-code. Dang, this song is hard. What's happening? Okay, we'll put it in a pre-code. Let res equals db last prediction. Await. Okay, or error not found. I really gotta. I don't think option is what I want here. I think I actually want a double result. Tell you the truth. I think I'm going to change that because I really don't like this. This is annoying. Do I have logging? Dude, I don't have logging. There's no logging. Okay. There's no logging. All right. So we got the prediction. That's just a big P. We got a big P. P.res response, right? There we go. All right. All right, cool. So this thing will definitely fail. All right, ready for the failure? Here we go. Cargo run. Oh, shoot. We got to compile because I added gems. I had crates. Exponential backup. API token not present. Bundle mentioned. Rexace. I swear. Oh yeah, it was your. Hey, Rexace. It was Rexace expect. What? Because I'm not doing .env. That's the problem, right? I did it up here for database, but I did do the wrong thing here. There we go. All right. Okay, we're loaded. We're locked and loaded. Second try already. It's not looking good. All right, let's do this, and then we'll do this guy. Can I do a space on this? We'll do this guy. This is the glasses. We'll see if the AI gets it right. Okay, we'll see. Let's see. Here we go. All right, upload. Oh no! Oh man! Oh, look at these panics! Oh, invalid type integer. Shoot! Expected a string. Ah, it was the Rust analyzer, the JSON stuff. All right, let's see. Decode invalid type integer 422 expected a string. Dude, the Rust analyzer thing, it was too it was too it's too good. What was it? It was is it status was a string, but it should be an integer? Is that what it is? Oh, status succeeded though. All right. What was the error again? Let's look at the error. Invalid type integer 422 expected a string. On line 80. That's not really going to help me though, right? On line 80, that's not really going to help me. So clearly when I try to get the response back, right? My unwrap came in here. It doesn't like any of this. Invalid type integer expected a string. So it doesn't like it'll apparently return a 422 in the status, but when I copied the JSON, right? We gotta look at the docs here. We can't just it was too good. It was too good to be true. Let's see. HTTP API. Create a prediction. The response will be this prediction. It says status starting. But I'm so confused. Request body input. The field is deprecated. Get a prediction. Where are the Get a prediction? Okay. Is there more? Status will be one of canceled. Okay. I think the authorization is failed, right? I guess I'm unsure of like how bad. Oh, you know what? This probably there. Do they have the failure responses? I'll log. I'll log in a second. Let's see. Open API schema. Ah, I see. Download the schema. I probably should use some kind of open API thing, but what are you gonna do? We're just raw dogging it. There's probably some error response, I guess, right? That they don't have here. We'll see what it is. Man, you think this would be? You think after all these years, after all these years, it's been 84 years. All right, so status is a string, but we will break this up a little bit. We'll break it up. We'll say we'll do expect response, right? And then we'll do more expects. Yeah. All right. Check it if it used money. I don't think it did. Let's see, and we'll do deserialize response. Right, there we go. All right, then we'll just do this, and we'll still do this in an intermediate variable res. And we'll go dres res. And we'll do a debug on this. Res. Can this be debugged? And then we'll return dres. And then we'll debug that too. If I don't have debug, I don't think. Yeah. Can't even type. Can't even type. Oh no, now I need to add debug to everything. Can it do it from here? No, it cannot. Yes, do it. Okay. All right, let's look at this one more time, right? To the terminal? Yeah, I can. It's possible that it worked, but I doubt it. There's no use effects. No money was lost. Could you imagine? A use effect. All right. But yeah, here we go. All right, let's try it again. All right, same guy with the glasses, right? There we go. Open. We'll see what happened. We will see where it is failing. Ah, here we go. Ah. Well, there's a problem. Oh, apparently the response is not really what I thought it was going to be, right? Also, why is it sending 3 requests? Like, why is that happening? That's interesting. Anyway, here's the response. URL status headers, right? Status 422. And so I think it'll just send back an HTTP response. Or no, this is requests, right? Is that what it is? Domain. Did I leak my key yet? Did I leak my API key? I don't even know if it's been leaked yet. Domain predictions. Okay. Report to headers. Okay, so it's returning back a 422.
Oh my God! Okay,
But I need to. Oh no, Teach. I appreciate the raid, but you came in at the worst time. Okay, 100% skill issue time.
Hello, Peter.
This is a raid.
Happening?
Look, and there's a lot of Helix usage in here. All right.
Hello,
Thank you for the
Peter.
follows.
What's
Look, there's a lot of Helix. If it compiles, it works. This guy. Helix, what? Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm hacking the AI's brain. Yeah, I'm trying to send this one API request. Helix on mount. Helix supremacy. Yes, that's what I'm saying. See, there's dozens. There are dozens of us. Okay. All right, but Teach, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Helix IDs nuts. Okay. All right. There. Are you happy? Okay. There are multiples. There are multiples of us. Okay. There are at least 5 Helix users that I know of. Okay. And the people who write Helix, which they probably use Neovim. All right. Let me see. So the problem is that I'm getting this response back, but I actually want a different response. I don't want to. I think I'm using request wrong. I think this is a massive skill issue because if I look at this, the response body. Okay, so what is the response body, right? What is the response body? The response body is this, I guess. I guess this is what replicate sends back. And the content type is this is a problem, right? That's not good. I probably know 5 Helix users. That's definitely a thing. All right, there's no problem. When am I going to use HTMX again? Soon.
Hello, Peter.
Okay.
What's happening?
Cha-root. Are we doing it? I use Helix on I thought we were on the same team. Arnu. I thought we were on the same team. Okay, you just said Helix supremacy, and now you are all right. Good. Oh my gosh, is that? Wait, Ryan Winchester, is that a? You know what? I've been programming Rust for so long. Every time I see anything, it looks like a crab, and that looks like a crab shooting laser beams. Okay, that's what it looks like to me. I wanted to confirm. Yeah, Merlindra. Sorry, Merlindra. You got modded by Fossabot. Okay. Sorry. Where was my personalized Go Live notification? Dude, Nightshade, what in the world? You're watching Teach, okay? Don't come at me, all right? You got to pay attention, okay? All right, so this is a bummer. I honestly think it might be the API token. That's probably why I'm not authorized, which is annoying, which is quite annoying, actually. Let me look at the docs one more time. Authentication, bearer, paste your token here. Definitely did that. Definitely a thing that I did, right? Definitely doing that. Bearer API token, right? Unless, I can't, okay, hold on. I gotta turn off my screen. Hold on. Is that how everything is like in Rust? Request with a W? Helix, request. We got weird stuff going on. The Cloudflare thingy to a report. I've ever seen it before. That's weird. I don't know. W with the Rust with a W. Look, you can't say it better than that, okay? Rust is a W. W Rust, heck yeah. All right, I'm gonna turn my screen off real quick because I want to debug the token. I can't. I'm sorry. I leaked it already and I had to recycle the token. Let me see. Let's just look at what it is. I can't do it again, you know? I got to be super concerned. A leaky stream? Oh, it's definitely leaky. Oh, I see. Okay, I'll do this. We'll get there, though. Don't worry. The screen will turn back on. I promise. Man, Teach does raise me at like the worst times, though. Like, he can't raid me when things are going really well. And I'm just like cruising, you know? It's gotta be when I can't get this stupid thing to work. At least the music's okay. All right. Let me debug this bad boy. Okay. The token is there. The token is definitely there. You posted your to root message again? All right, hold on. I gotta look at the token in the in my account. Let me just make sure this is the right token. Yeah, it's right. It's totally right. Okay, now we gotta clear this. And hopefully I don't leak it. All right, I'll turn it back on. The screen's coming back on. No leaks. No leaks. All right. Look, you can have I'll give you guys the first 4 digits. Okay, the first 5 digits, I'll give you guys the first 5 digits, okay? There you go. All right. There, you can have that. But you can't have the whole thing. All right, let me see. Okay. Let's go through this. Bear. Good. But I'm still getting a 422. Oh, the 422, that is a problem with the body, right? It's more Rust Analyzer stuff. Dang it. Hey, I have to show you guys this. Did you know this? Nightshade, if you're still here, did you know you could do this? Check this out. Look, I want to show you this. This is really important. Look, oh, jeez, I just leaked it. Oh, my gosh. Dude. Ah, oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. All right. Okay, but anyway, this is what I want to show you. Before I do this, no, don't clip it. Don't clip that. All right, so before I do this, look, so if you do action on this, look, convert JSON to struct. Do you see this? Rexace, it was important. Rexace showed us this, right? And you can hit enter, and it turns into a struct. Do you see this? No, this is a Rust Analyzer feature. Squirrely Brace. It's a Rust Analyzer. Insane. What is that? Nightshade. I thought you were a Rust programmer. You didn't know that? Helix. Helix. Dude, we're going to rename Helix to Helix. Okay, that's what we're going to rename it to. Dang it, we got to redo this. All right. How many? Oh, there we go. Helix Ds. Yeah, it's also possible. All right, we got to redo this. We got to go back up to the thing. We got to make a new API token. We got to create the token, default with 2 exclamation points. Turn this off real quick. There we go. Create token. Okay. We're going to disable this other token, right? There we go. We're going to copy this one. Unbelievable. And before I come back, I'm going to clear my clipboard. Yeah. Okay. Let me just clear my clipboard. There we go. Okay. Perfect. All right, we're back. We're back. We got another one. Okay, we got another one. DJZ. All right, that's what it is. This is the new one. Okay, let's go back. All right, so now we have to look at what I'm actually sending here, right? What am I actually sending? Request should be input and version. Version, input, prompt. Good. Okay, I mean, this looks good, right? This all looks good. Negative prompt. It's an empty string. Is this a real picture? Is that the problem? Let's see. This is an AI picture. We're feeding an AI picture so that the AI can generate more AI pictures. Okay, so yeah, it looks good, right? The AI person? Yeah, she's not real. That's the problem, right? Okay, let me see. Is this Safari? Oh no. Oh no. Someone caught me. No. No. It is Safari. All right. Guilty. Okay, Helix, Mac, Safari. All right. We got soy lattes in here. Okay. I've been found out. All right. It's not good. I'm on my way to a furry. Okay. I'm using rectangle. It's not vanilla. I'm using rectangle. Merlinder was all about swish, right? And Merlinder, you got me to use swish, but then I switched to this ergonomic mouse. So I now am using rectangle again. Okay. Yeah, that's me as a furry. It's true. In a pillow form. Dodging the link. Wait, what? Was there a link? Let me see. What is the link? Slaps roof or Russ's baby can fit so much macro in it. Nightshade, you don't even know. I don't. Have you even been here for what's been happening? I don't think you understand where I've been. You think this is bad? You think this is bad? Let me show you this. Let me show you my TV Mac. Have you seen this? I don't know if you. Maybe I talked about it last time. But yeah, it's way worse than what you think it is. Okay, this makes a function, right? And then it has a SQL, right? And then the output of the query is dynamically, or at compile time, generated a new struct called prediction, right? And then I use that same struct here and here, right? So like if you just want a bit of SQL and you want to map it to a function and the output to a named struct, that all happens at compile time. This is the whole database schema, right? It's everything, right? So yeah, how am I writing HTML and Rust? That's another story. All right, that's another macro story. So there's this cool crate called Sin RSX, and I wrapped it, and then I sort of did what Leptos does, but I just wanted it to do SSR and not anything crazy. So we can go into it, I guess, but let me see. Can I actually get to the thing? So here's the macro itself, right? So the Sin RSX crate does all the heavy lifting, right? It's called RSTML. It got renamed. But so yeah, I also copied this from someone else who is quite smart on Twitter. But yeah, I wanted it to be just a little different with the capital components and stuff. So now I can do components and things. So like if I wanted an image component from this, I could just do like what React does, right? So yeah, everything is in one. This is all one file, right? I don't know. Where am I? Oh, right here. So there's only one file, right? So we've got routes that are typed. We've got axum stuff. We've got some HTML in here, right? We've got, what else do we have? SQL at the bottom, right? Yeah, I don't realize, I forget that people don't know what I've done, right? What sins I've committed unhinged. Can you write your C in HTML? Heck yeah, we could do that. The thing about Rust though is that people don't realize when a language has macros, I gravitate towards it like a moth to a flame, you know? And I just start writing macros. Like it happened with Janet. It happened with Closure. I can't help myself. I just start molding the language to what I want it to be. And so for Rust, like the best part of this is that normally web development's like multiple different things and it sucks. Crazy attracts crazy. No Lisp. Well, Closure and Janet's a Lisp, right? But I don't like I don't like the in SBCL. I don't like that everything's a paren, right? You got to switch up the stuff, right? The squirrelies. All my programs are single file unless I work with other people. Fake Lisps, come on. Yeah, no Lisp. Yeah, no, it's a single file for sure. It needs to be, but except for the replicate, that's different. But anyway, let's look at this again. Let's see. So we're sending, right? We are sending all of this looks good though, right? It looks fine. I wish that it would tell me what the error is though, right? That would be nice to see. Let's get the error, but oh wait. Oh, I caught it. I caught it before the debug. Oh, I didn't leak the token again. Oh, thank goodness. All right, here we go. Wow, that was a close call. That was a super close call. All right, let's see. So let's get this guy. We got the guy with the glasses again, right? Open, upload. I uploaded twice for some reason. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so It's like I'm not even going past invalid type integer 422 expected string. Yeah, so it doesn't even tell me. I'm so bad at this. It doesn't even tell me what the error is, right? Like it seems like, what is this, Cloudflare? Like I'm not even getting past Cloudflare or something. Like what? This is so strange. All right, maybe we'll let me just make sure that I'm still doing the right thing. Go back down and replicate. Okay, let me see. This music is hilarious. It's all triumphant. When I'm in my darkest hour. Let's see. Output format, quality, string. I mean, this all looks pretty good. Prompt, subject, output format, output quality, negative prompt, randomized poses, true, number of outputs, true. I must be looking somewhere else. There must be something else that I'm not doing right. Let's look at the request. Predictions, JSON. Does it add the send a JSON body? Okay. Let's, and I have format bear here as the header, right? Content type application JSON. I mean, it's definitely API token bear. I don't think it's an authorization. 422 is a bad body. So let's look at the body, right? Unbelievable. If I could send one API request, it would be nice. It would be nice. We'll just 30 JSON this bad boy. To string, right? Is that what it is? To string. Request. Unwrap, because we don't care. And then we'll do JSON. We'll just do body, right? Body is a string. Is that the right? What? This thing is broken. Rust Analyzer is having a hard time with my macros. Let's see. What is this? What is this? Dude, what's funny is people really don't like macros, but that's what we all want, though. We all want our own personalized languages, right? To do the thing, the task at hand, right? So, like all this AI stuff, everyone's like, oh, AI is going to be like a personal whatever. We already have it, right? No one wants to use Lisp, though. We already have had it, you know? Okay, let me see. But yeah, Rust is an acceptable Lisp. All right, let's see. So I sent, did I not debug that thing? Oh, I didn't even debug it. All right. Yeah, I wish I had a REPL though. That would be nice. A Rust REPL. Okay. We'll run it again. 10th try is the charm. Let's see. We're gonna choose this guy again. Upload. Oh, geez. No file. Upload. We'll choose a different guy. All right. What did I send? Okay. Negative prompt. Number of images, number of outputs, output quality, close-up headshot of the subject in a gray sweater, gray with an E. Randomized poses, subject. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what's wrong with this input. I guess we could just use the curl, right, directly. And just see what I'm missing here. There's nothing else. There's nothing else. What is this? Oh, the form. I don't really... Is there something I'm missing here? Bearer, API token. I'm so confused by this. Input, prompt, Has a prompt. Huh. Just try to call maybe I have restrictions. Something is afoot. Yeah, I'm at the AI Rust macros. Same thing. It's true. Timty, it's true. We do though, right? Same thing. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is strange. I feel like this should just work. But yeah, let's try curl, I guess, right? Let's try curl. Oh, you know what? Maybe this is I wish it would tell me what I'm doing wrong though. Like it seems like there's some kind of Cloudflare thing that I'm not doing. HTTPS cannot be a base. Username, password, none. That's strange. Because it should have something here, right? Do I need to base 64 encode this? No, it just says the API token, right? Authorization. Bearer. API token. I mean, I guess I could do this. Not that it makes a difference, I guess. But yeah, we'll do the curl. Oh, hold on. We're not gonna leak. We're not gonna leak. Let's see. Nah, replicate's not down. We're gonna load the token into my thing. Cat. We're gonna just say export replicate API token. Man, I'm getting good at this not leaking. I'm getting really good at this. And we'll just go over here. All right. Okay. All right. Safe. Marked safe. Here, I'll turn it back on. Hold on. All right. How much? Like 30 minutes. Oh, no, I deleted the whole... I deleted the whole terminal. Okay. Okay, I gotta turn this back on. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so I definitely got something here. Status starting. So the curl thing worked, right? The curl thing worked. So it's definitely something I'm doing with request. You could say it's a skill issue. Okay, you can say that. All right, we could say it. We're gonna get on a prediction. The body looks good. This looks good. Do I have to do something special with request? Client builder? Whoops. Post. I guess we can look at the examples, right? We'll go back to only skill diffs. Yeah. Let me see. We'll have to go back here. Oh, you know what? I've done this before with replicate, but I don't know which I don't even know if I pushed it, to tell you the truth. I probably deleted the stupid thing. I got so many dumb projects. Pied Piper, that was a great one. Oh, it was this one. Let's see what I did here. Because I've done this before. And I even called it replicate. Okay. Oh, I even have this in here. Look at that. I even did the same exact thing. What's the difference, though? Oh, wow. I did a lot more error handling. That's nice. I should copy this. Okay, so here's the input string U64 F32. Wow. I did a great job. This is great. URLs is named correctly, too. That's nice. Stream. Interesting. But that's on the response, though, right? I even have a const for this somehow. I don't even know. What am I doing? Post JSON, serialize header map, headers, insert, sorry, JSON, post URL. Okay, body. Oh, I'm doing headers. I wonder if that matters. And then I have prediction here. Post JSON, content type, header authorization. Oh, I'm actually using... Oh, I'm actually using the headers from request. Wow, look at this. I must have run into the same problem because look at all this error handling I did. I might just copy and paste this, tell you the truth. I think I'm just going to copy and paste this. But I think we're going to copy. We're going to do this cuz I already did this stupid thing. We're just going to do it. Do I want to copy this? Let's check out the input again. I just don't see input and version. Prediction input. Interesting. I already did it. I did. And 35 in TypeScript with the right libraries, right? I'm only using an HTTP library, right? Like, there is a replicate crate, right? But I didn't want to use it. So that's my fault, you know? Fetch is built in. Yeah, but request is fine. There's a replicate RS right here, right? So there is something here, and I could have used this, right? We'll go to the docs. So like here's what you could do, right? You could just do this. But why? Why would you do that when you could just do it yourself? Let's see. All right, I guess maybe I'll use the other things, the content type things. But I don't even think the headers are the problem. I honestly don't think that's the maybe it is the problem. All right, we'll just copy this. There you go. And we'll just change the input. There we go. Boop. And then we'll do this. Good. And I think we're good. I'm pretty sure this is okay. Prediction takes an API token, which is a static str for some reason. I don't know why that is. String. Prediction input is the thing now. API token. Don't care about that. Right? Maybe this was it. Maybe the stream was the problem. But I don't think so. Oh, we actually need our special input though, right? So we're going to do this one more time. Here we go. Here's input, right? Copy. Give me a struct. Okay. We'll do debug. We'll call this input. Okay. Make it pub. Why have a string instead of str for the func? Oh, yeah, I guess. I don't know. Whatever, man. It doesn't matter. Right? There you go. Performance, not my thing, you know? Okay, so now we got this, this, and this. Okay, function defined. Input is a prediction input. Okay, good. Go back to main. Ruby dev joke. Skill issue. Come on now. Everything must be owned. Okay, we're gonna own this thing. Prediction is I have API token. That's what it was, right? Oh, actually, no, that's right. We'll just reference this. There you go. There, are you happy? Okay. Prediction input. Are you happy? Let's see. Field is private. Unbelievable. We're gonna do this. Select this. We're gonna come over here, pub. Okay, we're gonna do that. Good. All right, what else do we have here? Oh no. Prediction is serialized, not. Oh, because it's an error, right? Unwrap. We'll do expect res. There you go. That's a pro Rust developer for you right there. All right, let me see. Multi-cursor mode in Helix is so nice. NeoM could never. That is correct. That is correct. Helix is shining through right now. All right, we'll do it one more time. And so here, what are we looking at here? We're looking at errors. We're looking at errors. We're looking at okay, I see. We're looking at errors. So we can debug. We could debug the error, right? There we go. And then we could debug the output as well. Okay, so hopefully, now that I've completely changed this and I forgot that I did this already, hopefully we can get this working. Here we go. Let's see. What is this music? How do I skip this? Wish.com, VS Code? No. Multi-cursor is better in Helix. The whole thing is multi-cursor. Imagine if the whole editor was built for multi-cursor. That's what people don't understand about Helix. VS Code is... If you're going to use VS Code, you should use Zed. Honestly. Zed is much better. I know it doesn't have plugins or whatever, but who cares? It still didn't work. I still got the same error. I got the same error with the code that I thought worked. I replaced all the code and I got the same error. What in the world? Dang it. Status 422. What is it for? What is a 422? Replicate API 422. I know what it is, but it's like they can't parse the body, right? Unparsable, right? Unprocessable entity. Dude, it must be just this. It must be this particular one. It's probably looking for something very specific. Here, let me see. What is this? An integer? This is a Boolean? What is it serialized to again? Let's look at the serialization again. I mean, this is a lot more code than I had. Let's just debug this. Dude, if I can't get this working, I quit. Okay? I quit being a developer. All right? I am sending content type. Yes. I am sending content type here. Authorization. Right? We're sending it. All right. Let me see. Choose the file again. We'll reload. We'll reload. It's fine. Whatever. Who cares? Upload. Okay, what am I sending? It looks exactly the same as before. Number of outputs, output quality 80, prompt. What is true? Is that fine? Can I do this in JSON? Can I do that with a true just by itself? Is that allowed? What did I do with curl? My curl thing. Oh, it was. That's fine. It was that. I should just shell to curl. I should shell to curl and just do that instead. There's something wrong I'm doing with request. The request. Let's look at my dependencies in the other project. Let's look at my cargo. Oh, I don't have JSON. Derive, Certi JSON. So I don't actually have the, not that that matters, I don't think, right? I don't actually need this though. Oh man, this song is like, can you just clone that project? Well, it's the thing about it is it's hitting a different endpoint. This is for, it was a different each input is different, right? So like this one has an image, but it has a different top percentage and stuff, right? I have gone into some weird territory with this music. Let's just do this one. There we go. At least it's upbeat, I guess, right? Ugh. It's let's just look at input again, I guess. It's the only thing that's changed. Unbelievable. Is this here prettify the request? Yeah, okay, we can do that. That's fine. Replicate this. It should be the same as the other one, right? How do I do it? Do I do JQ? I should probably do JQ, huh? But I'm not cool enough. We'll just use the web. We'll use the web. Oh, DuckDuckGo has one. JSON is valid. Is it gonna it's not gonna do anything? It just does a beautifier and validator. Okay, it's probably because of all these extra bits, right? I think I actually have this in Helix. Let me see. New. We can just do select this with this. Okay, we'll just delete all those and just do this. There we go. And then we can set the language. Set language to JSON. And then we could save this. We could save right to temp JSON. And we could reload possibly. Reload again possibly. Oh, it doesn't like this. It doesn't like the quotes on the outside. There we go. Set language. Do I not have JSON? Oh, I don't even have JSON. I don't have JSON tree sitter. Nice. It definitely looks good, right? Like at first glance here, it looks pretty good, right? I mean, that's what it looks like in the thing here. Version, input, right? Yeah, I did that already, Nightshade. We did it in Helix, okay? Relax. Relax. VS Code can't, come on. VS Code? Dude, you think other editors can't do what VS Code can do? Come on. Just 22 years old. My first Mac OS experience was jarring. Look at the subject. I see the subject. I'm looking at it. We're looking. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. I did see that. There's no way. There's no way. How'd you spot that? Oh my gosh. How did it happen? How did it happen, though? This? Where's the colon? What? Is this what Surdy's doing to me? It's removing the colon? You should know this toxic. Oh, come on. Nightshade always says I have a skill issue, okay? Oh, my camera has a skill issue. Oh, shoot. The colon is after the stomach. Dude, what? Dude, look, Merlin, I'm just getting Nightshade back, okay? All right? Dang it. Dude, I can't believe this. JSONoscopy? Shoot. Dude, Surdy did this to me. Surdy did me dirty on this. That's interesting. That's interesting. I can't believe that is what it is. Like, all right, so what do I have to do? How do I get Surdy not to screw me over? Right? What is wrong with this? Input, subject is a string. Is there a way to get Surdy to do it? Semicolon is either just the small or large intestines. Your API key def in trouble. Reset. Sending it HTTP. Wait, my API key. Oh no. What did I do? Dang it. How do I get it to do the thing? Is there a way to tell Surdy not to Some kind of derived thing. Oh, you know what? We're just gonna put it back in. Oh, I don't even care. We're gonna put it back in. We're just gonna say body replace, right? We at this point, we just have to do what we gotta do. You know, we just gotta do replace. Escaping from what though? Because is it hard? Oh, you know what? You're probably right. Hold on. What am I sending here? Oh, right here. I'm doing that. It's not Surdy, it's me. Oh my gosh, it was my multi-cursor. Dude, skill issues. Oh my gosh. I'm done for. I'm done for. Okay. That's it. I quit. Helix. Oh, Helix got me. I quit. That's it. I'm done. Look, I'm just gonna start a bakery. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, now why is it failing? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Oh, sweet. We got something different. What do we have here? What do we have? Body input. Why is it sending it multiple times too? What is up with that? Invalid type, null, expected as sequence. Input. At least we got somewhere, right? Here's the subject, thank goodness. Output. It looks like I don't get any further. What is output? Now that I've changed the code. Now that I've changed the code a million times. Where is output? Okay, so there was no error for status ref, whatever that means. I got some text back. And so then I tried to do a Surdy from stir. But honestly, I felt the code I had before was much better. Here's the output. ID. Oh, so I got it back. What does it say? Does it say starting? Status starting. Nice. We're spending money. We are spending money. That's what I want to see. Cancel. Get. I'm expecting a vector somewhere. Output. Output null? Ah, output's an optional vector. Man, you know? There you go. Let's try it again. Add some retry logic? Nah. One shot. All right, sweet. We're getting places. We're getting places. What does it say here? Uh-oh, 402. What does it mean? What is a 402? Oh man, we went backwards. We didn't even get past the output this time. Input. Oh, output, here it is. Yeah, why is it sending multiple though? That's so weird. Not output. What am I doing? HTTP 402? What is that? I've never seen that before. Payment required? Come on. Come on. I thought we were already spending money. What's up with this? Payment required. What in the world? Why is it giving me this though? It seems like it started, right? Let's check the let's check my profile, maybe? No. Account settings? Can I see what I've sent? Oh, that's we gotta go to the menu. Dashboard. Let's see. Run with API, run a model, recently viewed models, suggested. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, okay. There. Okay, so 2 minutes. Perfect. Right, so this is the one I started, I think, right? So status running. So I guess I have to like pull this or something. I have to wait for it to not be running, right? What if I click this? What does it do? Oh, it's actually doing the thing. How many? Oh, it's generating currently. It's currently running. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, let me see. So let's try to put our guy in, right? What's funny is I could have avoided this if I just put the what can I do here? I have to have a publicly available image for this to work. Let me see. API, HTTP. Does it have to be a URL? Subject? I think it does, right? Did someone say futures? Don't leak API key? You need some free service? Spreading some fake news. I didn't leak anything, all right? Let's see. Did I... Oh, I see. The way they do it is they stream them in with a event stream instead. Interesting. So they just leave the connection open. Yeah. I guess I could just keep... I'm going to keep polling, though, because that's how I do it. But honestly, I think I need a... I need to have my URLs be public, which means I need Backblaze B2. Shoot. Dude, the saga continues tomorrow. Okay? The saga continues. I can't... one step at a time, you know? But yeah, it's sweet. Okay. So we need to do polling. We need to poll for when it's done. And we need to... We need to poll for when it's done, and... Okay, so it succeeded. Okay. So we could see here... Oh, look at this. It output different ones than the example. Oh, they're totally different. But I feel like her face, like, is different somehow. Like, it says consistent character, but I don't know. What's her instant Rexace? Rexace, what in the world? Calm down. Calm down. This is an AI person, okay? She's not real. Okay, she's not real. Yeah, that's interesting. Honestly, I think the fuzziness over here on this other one, wherever on this other one, AI or real. I think the fuzziness over here though, check the fuzziness out here. Hold on, can I move myself here? Where am I? Cam? I think the fuzziness here, like all in this area, it like makes it look more real, right? Like the fact that it's not super, like this one, like is clearly AI. It looks too smooth, but this one, it looks like it's not, you know, it looks more real. That's interesting. But yeah, it generates different ones every time, which is kind of nice for this kind of thing, honestly, you know. But these are pretty consistent, I would say. Like, you know, it's like you could see her eye here has like a weird shape, but honestly, it's not bad. This one is better. The output is actually better than the input. Sweet. Okay, cool. So we need to upload to a publicly accessible URL, and we also need so Backblaze B2 and possibly a CDN, and then we also need we need to pay. We need to pay money, right? We need to pay money. Please upload. I want to see AI Swalker. Oh, let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let me go back to here, right? Consistent character. You want to see me as an AI? Can we go back to the thing? There we go. All right. So let's see, where's my thing? So she is real? She's not real. It's not real. Do I have, let me, actually, you know what? Hold on, let me turn this off real quick. I don't know what kind of pictures are in here. You never know. Okay, here, I'll bring me over to dev. Here we go, perfect. You never know what's gonna happen, you know? All right, so here, we'll drop me in here. All right, so this is like the same picture I use for everything. That's like 7 years old at this point. It's the same, but I think because it's me in a hat, it might actually be me.jpg. Yeah, I think it might actually not do well, right? When I can free, dude, this is out of control. All right, so let's just do like 2, or let's do 3, just so it speeds it up, right? Oh, I see. Randomized poses is a Boolean. Okay, cool. So set a seed for reproducibility. Interesting. Okay, cool. So let's run it. So this is me. It's super blurry. It's not going to go well. This is going to be pretty funny, actually. And I'm wearing a hat, so I don't... Oh, no, I've reached the free time limit. Shoot. I need to enter my credit... All right, fine. We'll sign up and enter my credit card. Hold on. Let me do this real quick. Let's see. Then I gotta jump. Okay, hold on. Let me do this. Let's see. Do I need a fake email? It's fine. Dude, how is Apple Pay not supported here? That's a bummer. All right, I gotta actually look at my credit card here. No, you do not. No, you do not see it. You're so dumb. You do not see that. I gotta open up my little wallet here. Let me see. I'm looking at OBS. I know you can't see it. All right. Oh, do I not have oh, I don't think I even have my card on here. Wait. It requires a magic keyboard. What? I wish you guys could see this. This is crazy. All right. Apparently, it requires a magic keyboard, which doesn't make any sense. Dude, I'm switching to Linux. This is so strange. The weird Apple things, like they don't know any bounds really. Like they'll just do anything that they can. It's very strange. All right, let me just do it on here. Was that first day? What do you guys? Apple has lost it? Yeah, that's true. All right, let me do this with my phone. $500 instantly? No, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I think. I hope. I mean, I hope this isn't a for sale situation, you know? How do I... There we go. Okay. All right. 500 is changed to him? Well, I mean, you know. All right. It's funny how much you get paid for writing things no one wants to write. I will say that. Like, I feel like you could charge Rust developers so, like, they're just, you give them nothing, and they'll be so happy. Or, like, I guess Zig now, right? Okay, we're almost done. Man, there's so much personal identifiable information in this form. It's not good. All right. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, we'll give replicate my payment information. I am a human. It's processing. All right, sweet. Okay. All right, so I wonder if there's some cap. Can I do like a cap on how much they could charge me? That would be nice. There's no... Oh, there's a monthly spending limit. Thank goodness. Here, we'll set it to $10. All right. Okay, perfect. All right, let me bring this back here. Okay. Where was I? There we go. Okay, we'll bring back my picture in here. Where would I put it? Me? Perfect. This is not going to go well, I'll tell you that. Of the subject. In a gray sweater. In a green sweater. There. So we'll change it a little bit, right? Okay. This is going to cost me 2 cents, I think. Is it 2 cents? Did I say it was 2 cents or 20 cents? I forget. One request LFG. It's not $10. Get out of here. Get out of here. 3,000 USD. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's crazy. In programming socks. Oh my gosh. I think this consistent character one though, I don't know if it'll generate a whole body. I don't think that's a thing. For a failed request like AWS, I don't think it does. I think if you don't get through that caching layer, like if it's unauthorized or like a 400 series, I don't think it does. Let's look at the logs. I don't think so, right? For he has no body. Yeah, it's true. No, it's not $1. It's not $1 an image. It's I think it's like 20 cents. Bedrock. Oh, bedlog. What is happening? Let me see this. We can look at the pricing, but I doubt it though, right? I doubt that it's that much. Oh, the logs are going. Let's look at pricing. Okay, so here's pricing, right? So this is an NVIDIA A40. It's for every second that it runs, it's 0.000725 per second, and each run takes about 2 minutes, right? So I think I did 3 images. 0.00725.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening.
725 times Alt F4. No, I'm leaving. Thank you. I appreciate it though. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're just at the tail end. Oh
Hello,
no.
Peter.
I hope it generates a giga chat. No, it's gonna look terrible, right? Alt F4. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Okay. I appreciate it. So we're doing some. Oh, dude. That is. You know what though? Honestly, I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever seen, but it's definitely not the. I mean, it's kind of. It's like me, but if I was like Tiger Woods somehow, like that's kind of strange. But yeah, the left looks AI generated. The left is real. Okay, I'm not a. Sounds like you got to stay. AI Swalker, it is. Look, it's real. Okay, this is real. Welcome Raiders, by the way. Tiger Woods Walker. Let's see what else it did. That is the creepiest thing. Also, why is there like a Getty thing here? And the hat is I knew the hat would throw it off. I knew it would throw it off. This is scary. Honestly, it's pretty scary. I don't like this, okay? I don't like this. What else we got here? I mean, it's plausible. This one's plausible, all right? Stock images model. Yeah. What is this crap behind me too? Like, what is this? Right? Dude, AI is the worst, okay? All right. Well, what else is there? Oh, jeez. This is the fakest looking hat. Like, Raiders, I'm sorry you had to come in here when there's no code. I'm sorry. All right, well, how long have I... Oh, 2 hours. Goodness. This one looks the most plausible, but honestly, my hand looks hilariously small. Do you see how much larger my hand is than that hand? This is not good. This is not a good thing. I mean, it's definitely... You know what? If you just, at first glance, it could be me. That's the quantum computer. Hair dog fit. Dude. All right, let me see. We gotta change. Let's do a different picture. All right, we'll do a different picture. Because I wonder if it's just me. I wonder if it's just me in the, or if this is actually a good idea to do this project. Like, I wonder if we could do like another person in a hat. If it always is ruined by hats. Like, we'll get this. This is not even gonna. How is this even possible? Let's try this person in a beanie because they're looking away. A Yankee with no brim. This is scary. Honestly, I don't like this. All right, let's see how much money I spent. Can we go to dashboard? Web predictions. Does it tell you? Wait. Oh, there it is. 5 cents. So, it happened to be a cent per image, right? Who said it was $1? Who said it was going to be $1, right? No one said that. Is that Rami Malek? Dude. Let me see. What's going on in here? I know, honestly, like, I'm sorry, Raiders, okay? This is what you want. Oh, dude, Berlin Drew. Heck yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's see. I think, and you know what? These are like real ones, so I think it's honestly like good to try this. To tell you the truth. All right. But yeah, tomorrow we will
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
I appreciate it. Welcome. Okay, let me see. So we'll try Merlindrew, right? We'll put him let's do dog. Let's get the dog out of there. No dog, right? No hands either. We don't want hands, right? We'll do a headshot photo of the subject in dog human merged hybrid. I hope we do not. The dog will be a challenge. We gotta get rid of the dog. It's $1 on Bedrock. 100 steps. Okay. Yeah, each replicate, the time is what matters. Like this is replicate plus comfy UI too. So it's like all of it together, but it's all running on replicate's A40s, right? I'm on a ferry there. You are on a ferry. Let's see. So we'll get rid of like water. Can we do that? And then we'll do a close-up headshot of you. What are you going to be doing? Right? What are we going to put you in? We'll put you in some new clothes. In a pink. We'll put you in a pink robe. You just grab the image you have, I think, not the one you want. No, this is the one. This is the one we want. Because I put me in a green sweater, right? I wasn't wearing a green sweater. Victorian era suit and hat. That's even better. In a Victorian era suit and hat.
Peter.
Redbox, welcome. Victorian era suit and hat with a monocle. Let's try it. All right. There's no second I want this prompt. No, I don't think so. That's the only prompt. So the input is the image and the prompt, but the prompt is what you want it to be, right? And the input is that. So yeah, I gotta look at my code again because we gotta do B2 again. And I already did this and I thought, oh, I'll do it again, but yeah. So this, we're gonna I'm gonna copy this. Look at all this debugging. This is how many problems I had, and I just committed it. All right, so now that I got this B2 thing working, I'll just copy this. Honestly, we'll just copy this. But yeah, I gotta do that tomorrow. That's tomorrow. Dude. Where's the monocle? Where's the monocle, though? Solid. It's honestly pretty good. It's honestly not bad. Like, it's pretty consistent with your face. I mean, it looks off, but it's believable, you know? He's dripped. It's true. There's a lot. This is a really nice suit. Like, this is a super nice suit. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know what this is coming off of your face. Maybe it's like a mic. I'm not actually sure, but yeah. I mean, it looks plausible, maybe, right? It's definitely better than what happened to me, you know? Okay, so this project is worth it, I think. This project is worth doing. Your hand is definitely strange. I even said hands. Did I not say hands in the negative prompt? Unbelievable. I put it as a Twitter profile pic. Ironically. Here, let me drop these. Let me drop these in the can I download this? Yeah. Here, we'll drop these in the chat. Can I put a zip in the chat? I don't think I can. Let's see. We'll put these in can we put these in here? We'll put the links. Can I do the links? I can't. I don't think I can upload. Yeah, only links. We can do the links though. Is it can we share this? Oh, perfect. Right? Can we do that? Oh, wait. Let's see if I could do it with it private, with it logged out. Let's see. Wait, what? That's not what I wanted. Share? Oh, I didn't copy. Let's see. Imgur? We could do Imgur. But they have some share link here. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Nice. Heck yeah. There you go. Look, this is free, okay? But it's gonna cost money, all right? Because we're gonna clone Photo AI, okay? We're gonna clone it. So this one's free, but you know, the point is to charge money. All right, does that work? Does that work for everybody? All right, so what else do we have here? What were the rest of them? So it was this one, that one, this one, some strange stuff on the hat, and then also this. I have to somehow figure this out. This is annoying, right? If you want a photo with the hat, I can provide one. This one's off. I will say this doesn't look like you at all. This does not look like you. This one, it failed. But you know what? I mean, it's all right. I think it's worth pursuing this project. I think it's okay. Batman villain, yeah. All right, I gotta get to work. I'm sorry, Raiders, if you're still here. You probably fell off because I was like not great. And I didn't do, I have to, when I get rated, I have to have something that's like really exciting, you know? Like I saw Seth Drums when he gets rated, he goes insane. And I was, and that other guy that got rated the other day, I was watching Prime, but he had to go in like 10 minutes. And it was like Batty or something. And like he went crazy with like Slipknot. And I was like, that's really cool. So this is a little Twitch insider baseball, I guess, but did you really switch? You didn't though. You didn't switch it though. Dude. Batty is amazing. That's what I mean. I gotta up my stream game. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay? Dude, this is incredible. I love this. All right. Look at him. I know. Seriously, so handsome. Like, such a good looking dude. Raid Shroud. I don't know. Is this a joke? I don't even know who that is. Let's see. Let's do it. But we gotta find him first, right? Let's see. Shroud. How many? Okay, I'm gonna mute this. But honestly, yeah, like, wait, what is this? 18,000 people watching? Dude, what? Yeah, there's not gonna register, right? Like, it's just not gonna register. Who is Shroud? Look, I'm sorry, okay? I don't know anything about Twitch. I'm sorry. After all these years, I still don't know. I don't know who's popular and who's not popular. Like, I don't watch enough streams. That's probably why I'm a bad streamer. All right, so what? We gotta turn the music off. Hold on. We gotta listen to what's happening. That's so random.
Should I get more no, I probably shouldn't get more contracts. Let's go back to town.
What is this game?
I'm pretty sure as you teleport around, it gets more and more expensive.
Throne and Liberty?
So, like, there's like a cooldown, I think, right? So as you keep doing it.
All right. Raid T-Soding, not someone who won't appreciate it. All right, Nightshade, you've been overruled, okay? Overruled. We'll do T-Soding. T-Soding won't even... I think I raided T-Soding before. He doesn't even... He didn't even care, I don't think.
For them to integrate people into that structure, right?
All right. So, he's going to...
So they sort of inoculate the
what
environment.
What is this? MTS.
I don't know.
Is he
but I
using
feel like
Emacs?
the word, that specific word here fits perfectly.
Is this
It's just
Emacs?
They evacuate the environment, so then they can grab all of the.
I'm already
people
following, and I know who this is, but
integrate them into their structure.
but yeah.
This is how we ended up with
Emacs.
exactly. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Exactly. All right.
What is MTS?
Okay.
Is that some kind of TypeScript thing? What is this?
Migrate
What file?
player
No, this is something
left
else, right?
Message to binary. I'm going to push that into main.
You never know what T-Coding's going to do, though.
Google
That's the
all
thing.
ran
He
up
could be on
and
some
ran
weird
yeah.
low-level thing.
So is it pushing? Is it
Modular TypeScript
yeah,
file? Is that
it's all
true?
pushed into your
I'm
mouse,
not
so
going to
it's fine.
question.
All right. So what's the
All right,
next
let's
message?
raid.
So the
I
last
gotta get
message
to work.
that we have.
I
Well, I
gotta
mean,
do
there's
some- I
quite a
gotta do some
few
work.
messages that are sent.
All right, it
from
was
the
fun. I'll be back
client
tomorrow.
to
We're gonna
server,
do
like, I'm
backblaze
moving.
uploads B2 or
And this one
S3.
is
I don't
rather
know.
interesting because
And then we're
I'm
gonna
moving
do
could be literally a
actually sending those to
structure,
replicate. It's gonna be good.
with the moving mask.
All right, see ya.
Right. So